Amrit Pal has been elected as Member of Parliament from Khadur Sahib. He is known for his campaign against drug abuse and in favor of Sikh youth entering into baptism by becoming Amritdhari Sikhs. Very good. His third agenda is support of Khalistan. He is also alleged to have incited violence and storming into police station. Presently, he is in Dibrugarh jail in a case under National Security Act. Jaspreet Singh Ji, Advocate of America, has requested US Vice President to communicate his concern for release of Amrit Pal Singh. His release is to enable him to take oath as a member of Lok Sabha. This oath is mandatory. Article 99. Every member of either House of Parliament shall, before taking his seat, make and subscribe before the President or some person appointed by him on that behalf an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule. 99 हिंदी में, संसद के प्रत्येक सदन का प्रत्येक सदस्य अपना स्थान ग्रहण करने से पहले राष्ट्रपति या उसके द्वारा इस निमित्त नियुक्त व्यक्ति के समक्ष तीसरी अनुसूची के इस प्रयोजन के लिए दिए गए प्रारूप के अनुसार शपथ लेगा या प्रतिज्ञान करेगा और उस पर हस्ताक्षर करेगा. The oath is as follows. I, AB, having been elected as member of House of People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. मैं अमुक जो लोकसभा में स्थान भरने के लिए अभ्यर्थी के रूप में निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा. मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्यों को श्रद्धा पूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा. The oath by Amrit Pal is so important for the Sikhs in all parts of the country. 6.5 lakhs Sikhs in UP, 1.6 lakhs in MP, 2.5 lakhs in Maharashtra, and so on. But Amrit Pal's oath is fraught with obstacles. In my considered opinion, Amrit Pal is required either to abandon his campaign for Khalistan or he has to abandon his oath ceremony. Obviously, the idea of an independent nation out of present India is opposed to the concept of sovereignty and integrity of India, भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता. Third option is to take a false oath. Being an Amritdhari Sikh, Amrit Pal will not do this. So if he abandons his oath, he will not be able to enter the parliament, thereby deceiving his own electorate. It is therefore better for him to abandon the idea of Khalistan and focus on his main mission of making Punjab drug-free and to ensure that the Sikh youth of Punjab partake of Amrit and live a religious life. We all know that Amrit Pal too used to cut his hair and beards till 25th of September 2023 when he got baptized into Sikhism and became an Amritdhari Sikh. So he is the best person to tell us the experience of the pleasure of coming into the shelter of the Guru. Thank you.